Mommy, do I have to have a turkey sandwich again today?
Hell, Adrian, really, turkey again tonight?
Roger that. I'm gonna need some backup. We have a Turk emergency here. I repeat, a Turk emergency.
Claw. Bobby Claw.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with the Claw. I'm Bobby Whiteclaw, and I know everybody's really sick of turkey, and we all have it left over. We're going to take the leftover turkey that we have, and we're going to make a really good turkey noodle soup. This is going to be called the Secret Turkey Noodle Soup, and it's Operation Whiteclaw in effect. So here we go. Okay, so for our secret turkey noodle soup, what you're going to want to have is 8 cups of broth, 10 ounces of egg noodles, extra wide, 5 to 6 cups of turkey. You need 1 brown onion, 3 to 4 carrots. Also for the celery, between 3 and 4 stalks. You'll need some crushed garlic or curry powder, turmeric powder, and thyme, salt, and finally you'll need some cooking spray and olive oil for drizzle. This is lay out our turkey pieces, and you can see I cut them kind of a little bit thicker on the thicker side, but this is the secret ingredient part. And it's curry powder and turmeric powdered. So the secret ingredient is the curry powder. You just want to sprinkle just really lightly, kind of coating each piece of turkey coating. Now we're going to do the turmeric, which is a really, really great anti-inflammatory seasoning and spice. I love to cook with turmeric. So you just kind of evenly coating it so it's just like so. And then we're going to take a turkey slice just like that. We're going to lay it straight on. So you don't want to cook it too long. You probably want to give it about a minute and a half, just trying to kind of get the spices cooked into the meat. Okay, so what we're going to do on this, so I can show you, is we're going to cut this into little pieces and cubes. Now this is turkey breast again, so whatever turkey you're using, it doesn't really matter on the shape or anything, but for this particular video, what we're going to do is separate, whoops, parsley just jumped in. Okay, just like so. Whoops, that one broke. Okay, and then just one more time, just to make it kind of like a cubed turkey. Mr. Snowman's making an appearance with the raspberry white claw, which should pair nicely with our turkey noodle soup we're going to have coming up. Okay, so in your stock pot, what you want to do is fire it up, medium heat, get it warming up. We're going to take some organic extra virgin olive oil and just drizzle it in the bottom of the pan, bottom of the pot, like so. Prep your salt and pepper and thyme and garlic in advance. You'll need this for the next step with the veggies. Kind of shake that in. kind of garlic is alright. Get it in there and get it cooking. Gonna season these veggies really nice. Oh, it's really smelling good in here now too, for sure. I don't know about you guys, but all this turkey is making me thirsty. We're gonna go ahead now. The veggies are kind of cooked down a little bit. We're gonna add our turkey. Give it kind of a real quick toss. We don't need that turkey to really cook anymore as far as browning. We're pretty good on that. Next up is the broth. We're gonna have 4 cups of the chicken stock, but also bone broth. We're gonna do 4 cups of bone broth. And the great thing about this is it has a lot of really good health benefits. Helps with pain, inflammation, hair and nails. We're gonna add the noodles, and I use, for this recipe, egg noodles, extra wide. Let's see what we got. Make sure we have broth and carrots in there. Okay, so we got our turkey in there. Let's get some extra. Let's get some extra turkey. I think we need an extra carrot or two. Let's get a little extra broth. And there you have it. Look at that. Looks so mouthwatering. Ladies and gentlemen, mission accomplished. Secret turkey noodle soup is being served. Just remember, when food is too good, it should be against the law. And you've been cooking with the claw. Have a great day. Bye, everybody.